we look at where the existing PFAS regulations are today, we can see that they're kind of different legislative instruments, different substances, different applications and thresholds. So we have, for example, PFOS, PFOA, restricted and persistent organic pollutants. They're part of the Stockholm Convention. You have PFHXS being proposed, the PFCAs being proposed as well. You have several PFAS compounds that are already on the REACH SVHC list. And then there's others that are being submitted every day, because I can create a new chemical and submit that for REACH substance evaluation, and it might be a PFAS, and it might get harmonized as such under the CLP regulation. So this is something that's ongoing right now. And so we are dealing with PFAS at some level, but at the individual substance level, not at the group level. Now, when we look at what's being proposed moving forward, you can see that if we look at the EU, we see that there's a ban on the PFAS and firefighting foams being proposed. They're basically saying, hey, we can't use this in firefighting foams. That dossier was submitted this January, and ECHA's scientific committees are expected to provide their opinion in 2023, right? So then there's the ban on all PFAS use that's been proposed by Netherlands, Denmark, Germany, Norway, and Sweden. It excludes essential uses. However, it doesn't define what essential uses are. So that's something that would have to happen first before we could restrict all PFAS. Well, what essential uses could we not restrict? And they're not expected to complete the final submission of their dossier until July of next year. So that is in the early stages, but it's something we need to track, because that's the one proposal that presents the biggest risk to us as manufacturers. There's also a proposed restriction on PFHXA by Germany that's moving forward, probably be adopted into REACH.
Learn more by viewing the full-length video online at greensofttech.com/videos. Plus, learn about our environmental regulation solutions online at greensofttech.com.